This property is a cozy two-bedroom townhouse with cotto tiles, vaulted ceilings, traditional stone cellar, and beautiful view on the hills and village situated in Torrebruna, and it is in need of restoration. Torrebruna is a lovely town on the Abruzzo hills, situated inland at 40 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. The house measures approximately 60 square meters. The main entrance is on the ground floor and opens into a kitchen with vaulted ceilings, cotto tiles, traditional fireplace, and ceramic sink under the window. The adjacent living room avails of an original wooden staircase that leads us to the first floor, where we find 2 bedrooms and a toilet. Both floors avail of cotto tiles and vaulted ceilings. Completes the property the 30 square meter stone cellar with windows located at the back of the house. Water and electricity are connected, gas has to be connected. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.